Hey, what's up? This is Zach from RuffStuff. Today I want to talk about all the good things we're doing this year at King of the Hammer. So every year we come down and we do the RuffStuff open pit. That's where we take anybody and everybody that needs help. Racers, spectators, event staff, rangers, anybody that needs help. We're out there fixing their vehicles all free of charge because it's what we do. So this year we have some of the best sponsors in the industry and out of the industry helping us out. First and foremost, we've got Lincoln Electric. These guys have been helping us for years with some of the top equipment in the line, from the Ranger generators to LN wire boxes. These guys keep us moving every single day out there. Powers all the tools, powers all our equipment, everything ready to go. And then we have Amada Engineering. We use a press brake from them, and they are out there. Once again this year, they'll be there with a laser table, providing insanely awesome laser cutting capabilities and support throughout the entire week, which takes our outfit to a whole new level, being able to put out literally shop production quality products that we can use to repair your vehicle. After that, we have, this will be the third year we've worked with them, Industrial Metal Supply out of Southern California and the Southwest, help us with all of our steel, tubing, all this stuff that we don't want to haul down, but we needed to fix the rigs. After that, we got Rugged Radios, keeping us in communication, literally keeping us from losing each other or leaving a man behind in the middle of the desert. We've been using these guys for years and years, and they have literally the best equipment, the best support. You can't beat them. Then we got some outstanding help from our friend Greg Mulkey at Raceline Wheels. He keeps our Razor outfitted, gets our vehicles looking good. Strong, dependable wheels that we can count on. We're in the middle of nowhere. So this year we're getting help out from our buddies over at Tuff Overland. We're gonna get some great winches and other recovery gear and whatnot to help us get things in and out, moving vehicles that can't move around in our pit, whatnot. And then a new one this year is B&W Driveline Plus out of Auburn, California. These guys are awesome. They're helping us out this year with all the driveline needs we could ever dream of. And that's one of the things we fix the most. These guys are gonna save us a ton of time, ton of effort. It's gonna be a great year so far.
I don't know, it's the off-road Burning Man, so.
You're deadbeat tired, frozen solid ground, you go sit underneath someone's car, you take a little nap while they're telling you all about it, and then you weld their frame together. This year, King of the Hammers, I'm definitely excited to help everybody that comes to break down so we can get them back racing again.
Probably moonshine with friends while watching the belly flop contest.
This will be in year number 2.
2 years.
This will be my third year.
This year will be my 4th year.
This will be my 6th year or 7th year at King of the Hammers. I initially said I was gonna stop at 5.
Last year, my favorite memory was probably the 2 showers I got in between all the madness.
Probably when Garrett, our CEO, and I were out in the dunes and we almost went end over end. Pretty fun.
Hiking out to Backdoor late at night. That's a good time, watching all the rigs go up the hill.
That one time Morgan St. Margaritaville hammered drunk.
The backdoor action, it's when they go wheeling up the back of this mountain and they half of them end up rolling down and flipping their rigs.
My favorite memory was just watching the guys fabricate in the field. It was just marvelous to see what they could do for these people came in with something bent, broken.
Mini bike races, golf cart wheelies, jumping the golf cart, and also the after hours stuff, being able to get out and go putt around in a Razor or a Jeep, have fun for a little bit. Also can't beat the backdoor shootout. That's gonna be a hoot this year again.
It varies from year to year depending on what we're doing. Morning duties are generally up to me, filling the generators, getting all the tools ready, and then just same as everybody else, whatever job comes up first and whatever I can handle properly.
Working the pits, repairing rigs, welding, grinding, fab work.
I'm in charge of all the welding procedures, Anyone that needs help, anything that goes on with the equipment, and in charge of my guys, helping them out and helping anyone else out.
My main job at King of the Hammers has actually changed a lot over the years. Pretty much I'm just there to oversee the operations of the day, make sure everybody's being safe, whatnot. I'm there to work with my sponsored teams, work with other companies and contacts I've met over the years that we deal with, and hang out, schmooze it up, work the booth, and keep everything moving, everybody pushing forward.
I don't know, Owen did a pretty good job. All of them were pretty good. I was not unhappy at all.
Woo! I like the junkyard days where we wrap everything in a burrito. Okay. Hot dogs to hamburgers.
Everything for the kids, spaghetti.
Spaghetti.
Probably, I think we had like carne asada tacos for dinner one night. They were good.
Not participating this year.
But you will spectate.
Yeah. I don't know. I'll throw the swim trunks in there. We'll see.
I definitely am. Win me some wheels.
Nope.
I don't know. I don't think I have a big enough waist for that. I would lose.
I didn't witness that, and I don't think I'll be participating, no.
I will not be participating in the belly flop contest. I remember the guy that landed on his neck? That would be me.
I couldn't tell you.
Did not do anything.
I don't know. I don't know what his job is.
Dan Fredrickson supervises at King of the Hammers and just stands around, looks pretty.
Swipe right.
I would swipe right.
I will swipe right.
Swipe right all day long.